Hey guys, I'm here with the new iPhone 11 Pro and we're gonna unbox this today, make it very special, be one of the first. As you can see, I've got the 256GB version and generally the box looks pretty similar except it's dark this time around. We're gonna start and plug the plastic off, which feels nice as always, as you can expect from Apple. Which is kind of the nicest part when unboxing is plugging that off. Many people like that. The box feels very high quality. You don't see it, but the iPhone on the front is in 3D, kind of stands out of the box. And you can see the back side of the phone, which kind of shows the only change that you really got is the 3 cameras. And it also lays on its front inside of the box, which is kind of new for iPhones. I haven't seen it. And you can see there it is, very beautiful. Front hasn't changed much, but the backside looks just gorgeous with that new matte glass. Only the 3 cameras are on a normal glass, but we're gonna talk about that later. We got the same documentation as every year, a quick start guide designed by Apple in California, a few stickers, and I think it's just generally a good help for people who never used an iPhone, or just older models where you don't know how to swipe up to go to the home screen. We're gonna put that to the side. For the first time ever, we got a quick charger. I mean, they had to change something else than the camera to call it a new phone. And what's also new is we got a USB-C port on the back. So what we find next is normal earpods from Apple. Nothing new about that. You could expect AirPods, but they would be too expensive, I guess. And for the first time ever, we got a USB-C to Lightning cable. Well, because they want to do everything in USB-C now, but still got Lightning on the phone. Somebody please explain me that. So we're gonna put that to the side and start with the phone. What's really new about this is we got some kind of frosted or matte glass on the back side, which looks really nice. I'm gonna show that to you later to see it better. The front is basically the same. I'm gonna plug the plastic off. It is a very nice screen, as you could expect from Apple. It just feels like a very premium smartphone, what a lot of people like today, which is why they are willing to pay a lot more for a smartphone. So we're gonna just have a look at the sides. You see nothing has changed there as well. It's just the normal power button, which works as a Siri button as well. And on the other side we got the volume buttons. There was a rumor that the silent switch may be in vertical mode this time around, not in horizontal, but it stayed the same. What I'd recommend most of you is just go to an Apple store or any media store, just grab one of those and just look how you like it. If it's improvement enough to the last phone, I don't know what phone you got, but just if it is necessary to do that extra step to get those 3 cameras, I'm gonna show you what those do in a moment. But just if it is necessary for you to buy this, because there hasn't been a lot of change, just the camera bump, as you can see, looks pretty nice. Especially with this visible barrier between the frosted glass and the normal one. We're gonna plug our SIM card in, nothing special about that, and set it up very quickly. That goes very easy. Gonna start the phone now. Gonna select our language. Gonna continue with the country. Now what's also new is Face ID. Well, they improved it a lot. They say now you can lay it flat down on your table or any surface and it works as well. We got the new dark mode, which is very nice, using the great OLED panel, so the pixels are not lit. There's no backlight, so you really save the battery. Another great feature of this phone, but it was in the last year model and the one before as well. When you're done with that, you can see the new beautiful home screen of iOS 13. Now the biggest change, I'm going to show that right away. The optical zoom 2 times, the same as last year, but what's really new now is the 0.5, like the ultra wide angle, which looks amazing. I mean, I'm not a fan of the distortion, but you can start getting creative with that very easily, and I'm really looking forward to it. Well, that's it for now. If you want to see more, please consider subscribing, but this has just been the unboxing video. More is coming later.